Welcome, family. For newcomers, you're highly welcome. If you like hairstyle tutorials, please follow and like for more videos. So today, I'm telling you, if you have your own hair, old one, do not throw it away. The good news is you can reuse it again. So that's what I did. I shampooed the hair and everything is ready. I prepared my hair. So I went on with my spray glue and I sprayed the hair. So with that, I went on with the hair dryer to dry up the glue. So you will be drying the glue until you feel like it's sticking on your hands. When you feel that, that means your glue is ready to be stick. So I went on, and that's me. Of course, yes, it's me. Yes, nobody else, that's me. So the more I blow it, the stronger hold it gives me. So I don't know. That's according to my own experience. I don't know yours. So with that, I have to go on still pressing and air blowing to make sure that the glue that is still down, if it's not dry, it has to dry and it has to give a strong hold. So after that, I tie the glued area down with the scarf, and I have to sew the back part, guys. So with my hair well glued in front, I have to start sewing the back part of the closure. So yes, I start sewing and sewing and sewing. So guys, if you're sewing your own hair, I advise you do not use a tiny needle. Tiny needle is very dangerous for you, and do not use it because you don't see your head and you don't see where you're inserting the needle, and it can really cause damage and you can hurt yourself. So better off use the big needle. So that's exactly what I am using because I don't trust my hand alone without my eyes up there. Yes, so after finishing sewing the closure, I have to go to the back and start sewing on the lines on the hair that I braided. So I started with my first lowest line, working my way up front towards the closure. So the process continue. You can actually choose to decide how many layers you can use of the wig. It depends on the kind of coverage you want. You can use 2 layers or you can use 1. But in this case, guys, I'm using 1 and 2. I don't want it to be too much or very thick. Look at me, guys. I am so tired and I still have to finish the whole thing. I know, right? So I need to look good though. I still have to get back. Like as I was saying, it depends on how you want it to look. Like in my case, I'm using 2 and 1. So that means I go 1 round single and the second round I go double. So I don't need to have like a very thick and much hair on my head, but I need something to cover my hair. I have already made it to the top, guys. Almost there. You have no idea the joy and the excitement that within me, like shouting, yes, 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 we made it. Yeah, we made it. And there, I made it. So I have to comb the hair down and make sure that everything is laying straight. Yes, that's the word, lay straight. And with that, guys, I have to style the hair down, and I put some spray glue in it and went in with the hair dryer so that it can hold itself. And there it goes, guys. Just look at that beauty. Look at that hair. It's just like new one. So you don't need to throw yours. You can reuse it again and you look queen. Yes, you can slay again. Bye. Ciao, ciao.